Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about window tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply open or view XPS file in your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 without any stress. Let me show you how. So, like for instance, if you want to open your XPS file and you select the file and you press enter, then you have different kind of file format that you can use right here. And in some cases, you may not have some of the file formats in this particular regard that you can use to open your XPS file. And in this regard, it is always advisable that you use an inbuilt file viewer for XPS file format in your Windows PC. How can you enable it and how you can add it to your file format viewer in your Windows PC? Let me quickly show you. So the next thing I'm going to do is to minimize the file right here. Then whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, go ahead and make sure you navigate to your start right here. Right click on your start, then go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on apps. Then come to find a settings right here and type in optional So go ahead and click on optional features right here. After you click on optional features, next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on view all features and then go ahead and click on yes, and it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on see all available features right here, and then you have all available features right here. So what you want to do right here is to continue to scroll down and make sure you look for XPS file. You can make use of the address bar right here and type in XPS. So continue to be looking for XPS viewers. The more you scroll down and then you see, so here we go, you can see right here XPS viewers. Then go ahead and make sure you click on this check mark right here. Then go ahead and click on add